playing with Play-Doh and Monopoly. Two awesome things. We're playing with Play-Doh because we have Monopoly money. Look at this green dollar bill we made. And a credit card and some golden coins. I'm going to win Monopoly with this. I have my own wallet too. Ta-da! Money and another credit card. Because you have so much money, you can buy some surprise toys. I want some Monopoly stuff because I want a new game piece. If you want this, you have to use your credit card. It's worth a lot of money. Okay, I'll scan it for you. Scan, 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 scan. That'd be $10, please. $10? Whoa. Catboy stores don't have sales. Here's my credit card. Thanks for shopping at my store. I was good things, not bad things. I don't want to say go to jail. Yeah, Gekko, you go to jail a lot. Whoa, a chest. Whoa, this is amazing. Can I open one? Sure, Catboy. You're my best friend. Whoa! It's money. Let me see mine. 10,000. That's more than anything in the game. Whoa! Gordon! This is amazing. Is this a credit card? What? Is that even more money than Catboy's? Whoa! $100,000. A hotel. That's even more money. That's metal. This hotel might cost twice as much than a real hotel. Ooh! I got something. Look. It's a baby card. There's a baby stroller. Whoa! It's a golden guy. It's a monopoly guy. Golden too. I got another thing that Catboy got. I got one that Gekko got. Hey, Catboy, you both get that one now. Okay. I'm going to buy it with my green dollar bill. Thanks, going to Gekko's store. Yeah. Scan, 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 boom. This one has tokens inside. Can I have two of them? Yeah, you're my best friend. Oh, whoa! Is there a map thing in there or a box? These ones you punch out the side. Whoa. Can I get one of them? Whoa. Oh. One. And I think that. Now, you punch out this one. I got something. You got something? Yeah. It's money, I think. It's a coin. Oh, it's something in here. Whoa! Silver? Silver? How much is this? $1. It's one coin. A guy is holding two babies. Wah, 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 wah. Punch, punch, punch. That's what I get. Wait, two of them. Go to go. Another house. Let's see. Now let's look at all those surprises. Now I'm gonna buy this. Beep, 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 beep. I'm gonna pay 2 golden coins in $1. Let me see what's in it. It's called Squeekee. I got out of the box. Let's see if he talks. I'm Gekko. It said it. Hi. Catboy is my best friend. Catboy is awesome. Gekko's fun. Cool. We have so much fun today. And I'm a pirate. Now, Catboy. Hey, who took my mask? I hope you like our videos and like and subscribe. Bye. And have a great baby day. Catboy is my best friend, and we've been friends for years and years and years and years. Sometimes I give him presents because he's so nice. Today I got Catboy the best toy of them all. Who wouldn't want a Gekko stuffed animal? Then Catboy would always remember me. He's gonna love this toy. And he's gonna take really good care of it. I know it. Let's give this to Catboy. We have to walk down. I can't wait to play with Gekko. He's going to like this toy. Hot Wheels are the best. That's a monster! Hey, Catboy! It's just Gekko and a new Gekko. Aw, that's cute. I got this for you because you're my best friend. Thank you. You're a strong Gekko. Super Gekko muscles. Wow. I feel dizzy. Oh, how about this? Gekko muscles. I have Super Gekko muscles with this Gekko. This Gekko is so awesome. I always wanted a Gekko like this. Hello. This is almost as good as a Catboy. What? Catboy's better? I thought he was your best friend. I was kidding. Gekko was actually better. Let's go on the slide. I bet the Gekko wants to go. Go! Whee! He's ouch. This is a big kid slide. But how I usually do it is I go with him and he's usually on my lap. Go. So you slide with Gekko. See, he's safe that way. Let me try. Whee! Catboy, what are you doing? I think I need to take care of that Gekko. Sorry, Gekko. Gekko needs to go to the PJ Masks hospital. Come on, Catboy, let's go. Look what you did to Gekko. Gekko's never had a wheelchair before. Now he has to learn to use a wheelchair. I like my Gekko toy that way. Hey, I have an idea. Let's let Gekko go down the slide with a wheelchair. No way. We don't want Gekko hurt again. He can drive on the roof. Wee. Bad idea. Oh, look what you did. You know what? We actually have to now just keep Gekko in the playhouse. I'm a bad driver. Ouch. Please like this video and subscribe. Sorry, we were really silly today. Bye. Bye now. Catboy Gekko muscle! Super Gekko muscle! Gekko needs to go to the PJ Masks house. We're in the PJ Masks plane. Coming down for landing. Oops! Looks like we forgot to build the runway. Boom! Gekko's never had a wheelchair before. He doesn't even know how to use it. Look. Oh no, he's going to the hospital again.
Hospital.
Now he has to learn to use a wheelchair. Slap! Wah! This is the best idea I ever saw. Boom! Ta-da!